The upside to downsizing your home. Downsizing your home means selling your current home to purchase a smaller and likely less expensive home. Whatever the underlying reasons may be for downsizing, there are many positive benefits. Financially, downsizing can reduce your monthly payments or even eliminate your mortgage. Ongoing maintenance expenses and utility costs for heating, cooling, and electricity can also be reduced by hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Having a smaller home to maintain can lower your stress level, and it can also afford you the means to enjoy life to the fullest, giving you extra time to relax, travel, or improve and expand relationships with family and friends. Many factors come into play when deciding exactly how much home you need, and sometimes smaller is better.